Are you looking for a simple yet effective way to track your staff, students, or pupils' attendance? Worry no more, because automated staff attendance tracker will help solve the problem seamlessly. This is an offline desktop application that runs specifically on your PC, which automatically captures staff attendance details when they clock in or clock out. The process is simple. It captures the user's face, time, date, and other details and saves it in its database. It is designed to run on Microsoft Excel, so you do not need to install any new software. Let us see how this application works. Let's enter the user ID. Click enter. Scans your face and records it.
Well done, Pungato Yebajo.
So it gives you these greetings, logging in your time and every other details that pertains to you. Let's try another user. Enter. It does the same thing.
Welcome, Daniel Mark.
Shows the name, time, and the picture of the person and saves the scanned picture in the database. If anyone imputes any wrong ID, let's see what we have. Employee ID not found. So let's see the setup of this application. First and foremost, if I click on this bar here, if I click on it, it opens up these tabs here. The admin tab, setting, report. These basically are the setup panels. If I click on the admin, on this page, this is where you impute the employee details or the student's details, as the case may be. Here you put the company ID, company name. Here you put the details of each employee that will be using this. Let's quickly do one. Let's say this person is A, the user ID is that, and he bears James Ada, and he's a male, say he works in sales. For students you can use class and all that other stuff. It's a manager, the number, and the date. For the date, just clicking the box, this date panel will come up. Then probably you impute the person's date of employment. Then this place is for the email. Say James at gmail.com. And for the picture, just click in the box for picture. It opens up your picture tab, so you select any image of your choice. You select any image of your choice. Let's say I want to use this is the image of the person. Just picked it and it's imputed in the cell for you. Anytime you edit here, do not forget to click on this update the data, and it tells you data updated. Click OK, and that's that about this panel where you impute the details. Now for the settings, the setting talks about what time and when is your break and all of that, and the message greetings that you get whenever anybody clocks in or out. So basically, these ones are standard. This is where you put your resumption time, because it's going to calculate if the user is punctual or late. So you put your correct resumption time. Let's say it's 8 o'clock or whatever. Then this is the message for break time if you want to use break. And this part here talks about the format. If you want to use the 12-hour format, you click in the box and you select 12-hour format, and if you want to use 24, you do the same. Use time clock for breaks. If you want to observe break, you click on yes, otherwise no. If you want to show pictures of employee while they clock in, you do yes, otherwise you say no. Automatically clocks in the next shift 12 hours. And for break time basis, you don't want to use break time, this one does not matter, but most times it's just 1.5 hours. So that's the setup for this portion. And here, the report section. This is where you get the report of the attendance record over time. So this gives you the display of each person as they come and go each day, they clock in and out. So it tells you their names, their details, every other thing is here. And in case you have, definitely you have multiple lines, you can streamline by selecting the name of the person so that you only see the data for that person. In short, it does the breakdown for you, the average time spent at work, the login time, and all of that. So you can see for each person like that, and you can, reset the reports. If you reset the reports, it brings everything back to normal. So you can deep dive on the punctuality rate of your staff because it shows everything, the record that you want. You can print the report, you can reset it, you can streamline to what dates to what dates. You might just want to concentrate on a particular date range, just put the date range here. Or you just want to see the number of persons that are punctual or late, just type in punctual or late. It will filter for you to have whatever you impute in this place. And clear report, what it does is whenever you do clear report, it clears whatever report you have on this page and saves it on the database. When you get this application, it comes with this 4 stuff. This folder is where the pictures saves whenever anybody clocks in, and this is the main application, automated attendance tracker, and this is the camera that is running behind to capture the user's face, and this is the backup, the time clocker backup, that whenever you click on clear report here, it automatically saves in this backup file, and you can always retrieve it by opening it, and you want to check previous setups and signups. So for no reason should you delete anything from this folder. When you download this app, it comes with all of this, and basically that is how this application works. So simple yet effective. So what are you waiting for? Quickly download yours and have fun tracking your staff, your students' data. Thank you very much.